Good job.
And back down again.
Good job, everyone.
3 more to go. Arms
3 more. Miss Jean, I need you to participate. Good job, Miss Jean. You can do it. Good job, Miss Martha. Good job, Miss Bonnie. Good job, Mr. David. Good job, Miss Awella. Keep moving. Good job, mommy.
Now let's bring the arms up. So not having the hands really close together, just shoulder width apart roughly. And now we just bring the elbows down.
Up. Yes, ma'am.
Comfortably. And then bring them back up again.
Good job, everyone.